Oh, okay, and we're back. Sorry about that. Anyway, where was I? Finding the area of a hexagon with the side length equal to 4 centimeters. So, we don't have the apothem, but we need to find it. So here's what we're going to do. First of all, we're going to need to get my Apple Pencil to work again. So, here we go. We need to draw the hexagon. You can sketch it, or if you want to use the templates, you can go grab one. Hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, this is all for a regular hexagon. Only works if it's regular. Cool. Okay, so finding the area, right, which is apothem times perimeter over 2. We can get the perimeter. So perimeter is going to be the side length, which is 4, times the number of sides. So 6. Since it's a hexagon, n is equal to 6. N is for number of sides. So the perimeter is just 24. Okay? Now, here's the tricky part. Finding the apothem. So now you're going to need to draw the apothem. It's a funny word, isn't it? It's great. So from the center straight down, forming a 90-degree angle. That's the apothem. Now, last thing is we're going to have to draw the radii. I know this is not a circle, but if you imagine it were like that, the radii would go, ooh, that was a bad one. The radii would go to each of those vertices. Okay, so from, just another color, here to here. That's going to be your radius, and then draw the other one, here to here. Okay? And let's go ahead and draw them all. Radius, 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 radius. Okay, so it's 6 radii because this is a hexagon. So what I want to do is find the angle between the 2 radii. It's going to be the same all the way around, which means if I do 360 divided by how many triangles were there? Let me ignore the apothem really fast. That's 6 triangles, right? So there's going to be 6, 360 divided by 6 is 60 degrees. So each of these angles is 60. Okay, and so on. However, when I draw my apothem, let me go back. Here it is. What am I doing to that 60-degree angle there? I'm cutting that in half. So 60 divided by 2 is 30. So that's going to be this little angle right here. 30 degrees. And now, look what I have in this right triangle. I have a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Remember those 30, 60, 90 triangles? Okay, so I'm going to redraw that here. Make it bigger. This is 30. And this is 60. Now, go back to the problem. It says the side length was 4, so this whole thing is here is 4. But when I drew my apothem straight down, I'm cutting that in half, so this is just 2. Do you remember the rules for 30, 60, 90 triangles? X, x square root 3, and 2x. So, this triangle right here, right, which I'm just drawing bigger here, is 2, this is 4, and this is 2 square root of 3. That is my apothem. Okay? Got it? So, back up here, my apothem I now have is 2 square root of 3. And then I just plug it in. Area is apothem, 2 square root of 3, times perimeter, divide by 2. Okay, simplify that, so that's going to become 48 square root of 3 over 2. Remember, we want to keep this in radical form. So I'm not going to type the square root of 3 in my calculator. So then the area is going to be 24 square root of 3 centimeters squared. So I know that one was a little bit weird because you had to find the apothem using 30, 60, 90 triangles. That only is going to work. You only do that with hexagons. Okay? So, let me write that down. If you are solving for the apothem, so you're not given the apothem, you have to find it in a regular, actually, let me fix that, regular hexagon only, use 30, 60, 90 triangles. Okay? I think you might have one question like that on your homework. So I believe in you. You can do it. All the other questions, they should give you the apothem, and you have to just plug it into your formula. Okay? There might be some where you have to work backwards, solving for perimeter, but we already did one like that. Okay? So that's it. Now, what you're going to be doing is now work on your project. Make sure you put all supplies back before you leave. Okay? I'm not there to clean up after you today, my darling children, so please put them back when you are done with them. Does that sound okay? Okay, great. Secondly, if you finish your constructions, then you should be working on your online homework. 9-2 homework online, only one part. Okay? Remember, I'm going to extend your project. So your new project deadline is going to be April 6th. That's also the last day of the cycle. Obviously, those grades will not go into this cycle because I can't grade them that quickly. Okay, don't forget. Deadline to retest for Unit 8, April 6th. Guess what else is happening April 6th other than it's the end of the cycle? That's going to be our Unit 9 Celebration of Learning. That covers 9-1, 9-2, 9-3. April 6th is a big day, everybody. Okay? Got that done? Okay, email me if you have questions on your project or the lesson or the homework, or if you're having trouble accessing the homework. If you are, email me, but also see Ms. Patel. Okay, I miss you guys, and I should be back today by advocacy or lunch, probably both. So feel free to at least come see me in lunch. Yeah, or advocacy. Or I'll see you next class. Okay? Which I guess won't be until Monday. Oh, that's sad. Okay, bye.